Hi, my name is Josie and I'm the Manager of Customer Success here at Edcite. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table drag and drop question. As you can see, I'm in my question editor for a table drag and drop question. I've created this drag and drop question and I'm going to walk you through how I did it. So I first added a name for my question. I decided that I didn't need the optional stimulus for this question, so I left that blank. Next, I added this great article from Environmental Science Journal for Teens, and I did that by clicking the blue pencil button and adding a PDF. If you need instructions on how to do that, you can look for my video on adding PDFs to your questions. Next, I went over here and I added my instructions for my students, drag and drop to complete the chart. I then clicked on the gear to see my scoring options. So my scoring settings are match cell, match column, or match row. And I can center align the first column or center align the first row. For this particular question, I chose to match the column. So that's why that's selected. I'm going to click done. And then I'm going to make sure that edit is chosen. And I'm going to enter all of my answer choices here. They're highlighted because I've already set the answers for this question, but when you enter them, they won't be highlighted. Next, I'm going to click Set Answer. Once I've clicked Set Answer, this little table will populate, and this is where you can add your table headings, your column headings. You can add more rows or more columns and set up your table any which way you want. So if I wanted to add another column, I would just click this plus button, and if I wanted to delete that column, I click the red X, and the same thing with the row, and delete it. Once my table is all ready, I'm going to highlight an answer choice and drag it into the correct box that it should be placed into. So you can see that I have red snapper down here, southern flounder down here, and so on and so forth. Once I've dragged all of my answers to the correct cells in my table, my question is ready to view in the student view. So I'm going to go over to my student view. And here is my question, drag and drop to complete the chart, and my students will be able to drag their answers into the correct cells and complete this question. If you have any questions about this or anything else on Edcite, please feel free to click the help or feedback buttons located at the bottom of your screen.